Yay! Happy Friday! We have survived! Yay! Week 3 is done! Alright, so for the week, basically roundup on what we covered in Math 6 for the week would be we had some videos assigned in Ed Puzzle. We had some Khan Academy assigned. And then also they did their first quick quiz. So a quick quiz is worth 25% of the grade. What they do on the quick quiz will be on the test. So if you're wondering as a parent, like, how is my child doing, pay attention to what they're doing on the quick quiz, because that's what's going to end up showing up on the test for them. So you want to make sure that they're doing well on those. Quick quizzes are only 4 questions. And so if you miss one question, it is 75% of the grade. So I know I don't have those in the grade book yet, but they will be coming on Infinite Campus here soon. The great news is if a student doesn't do well on the quick quiz, they can always retake it. So they'll have at least 2 attempts to retake any sort of quick quiz. Okay? So with that, that's kind of all I'm going to leave you with. Nice and sweet and short. And you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you later. Skol Vikings, because we need lots of help.